Now that we downloaded Animation Composer, let's go over how to animate the objects we have on screen. First, make sure to have your Animation Composer panel up. If you can't find it, go to Window and Animation Composer. Go to the Starter preset, 2D layer, Transitions 2D layer, and let's pick any one of these. We're gonna do a position. Let's do position and rotate. And these are just previews of how things will animate in and out. What we're gonna do now is apply one of these animations to our layers. So we go to the timeline and let's animate the text. So click on the text. Let's apply this animation so that it animates from the bottom. So let's do bottom and then animate in. Click on the animate in button. You'll instantly see this little marker that says TRN, which means transition in. Normally a marker is just that, a marker that you use for reference. But for this one, this marker does something. If you scrub the timeline from left to right, you can see the animation. How cool is that? And you can also see the position number on the y-axis change as we move along. Okay, let's preview in real time. Go to the preview, click play, and there we go. Pretty cool. Now let's animate this laughing image. Click on the image. Now let's try animating coming in from the top. We can do different types. There's all kinds of animations that you could choose from. We can try an overshoot position and rotate. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, let's try that. We're gonna animate in. Okay, now when we preview, something went wrong with the PNG file. And it looks like we dragged this layer a little bit to the left. So let's drag it back to the right. Now, here we go. Let's preview in real time. Okay. Okay, in your preview, there are different options. If we go to the preview panel, there's a resolution drop down. During your preview, if your resolution looks a little blurry, just change this to something higher. You could do half or you could do even full. But if your resolution is on full, and you have a lot of layers, it might take a long time to load. All right, we just animated in our objects. You can also adjust the timing of these animations by moving a layer. So for example, if we want the text to show up after the image, we can drag it a little bit to the right. Now the image shows up and then the text shows up. And if you want to preview in real time, go to the preview panel and click play. Okay, clicking the space bar will stop the preview.